there is a confusion at all levels when it comes to priorities. That is my point.
No, the priorities of the government are well defined. We want industries to come, we want IT sector to grow, we want employment to be created. At the same time, not at the cost of the environment. So that we are very firm on that, and it's because of that we have asked for the opinions of the people. It is a people participation. First time it has given to the people, and they will suggest, and based on that we will formulate that whether it fits into the guidelines framed by the experts sitting on that. They will take. Okay, my role to for giving my suggestions is limited. It is not that entire Goa one will give this plan, or entire taluka nobody will give. I will restrict to the my area wherein I suggest that in my village, let us say Sarpanch is asking for, in my village the settlement is this, the population is this, population growth is this, after another 10 years the area is not sufficient for settlement zone, you may kindly increase it to this extent. It is not that the whole area another 1 lakh square meters to be converted. So what I say that the public participation is to the extent that individual will ask for any additional land, not the whole planning will be made by any on single party, because the planning will be made by the experts. The whatever is required in the draft regional draft plan which is already there existence will be framed or tuned by the experts, not by the public participation.
My question is, when government already has a acquired land, certain amount of acquired land, will you prioritize use of that land for public utility projects, or will you go on acquiring more tracts of land where it becomes controversial? There is a huge legal procedure. Now your government wants to bring a land acquisition bill in next assembly session. Rather than taking that route, are you going to utilize the existing resources?
ना म्हाका एक सांगा पळया, तुम्ही आम्ही जेन्ना एक्विजिशन केल्ले आसा अशी खंयची एक साइट दाखयात की कोणाक लोकांक डिस्प्लेस करून किंवा एग्रीकल्चरल किंवा इको सेन्सिटिव्ह एरिया खंयचे घेवन करतात. इट इज नॉट दॅट. वी हॅव फाउंड अ एरिया वेर इन देर इज नो कल्टिवेशन, इट इज अ बॅरन लँड, इट इज अ रॉकी एरिया वेर इन नथिंग कॅन बी डन. So we are using the best, making the best use of that land for the IT purpose, for the employment. It is not given to any hoteliers, or it is not given to any single party to own or to get benefit out of it. It is for the people of Goa to get the employment. You cannot say that it is a eco-sensitive zone. How?
Okay. No, there are so many trees that have been
cut. No, so my point is there a confusion of priorities?
Definitely. See, land use planning has to be done. Now, actually, there are several issues that are coming, but let me point out one at a time. At the settlement area, म्हणला की आमचे लोक वाटतले. गोयंचे statistics, ताका म्हणटा आमी scientific planning. गोयंचे statistics पळयले जाल्यार आमचे birth rate is below replaceable level. म्हणजे दोगां फाटल्यान दोन जायना आमचे जाल्यार खंयच्या लोकां खातीर आमी जमीन वाडयता. सेकंड, आमी जेन्ना आमचे डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणटा गोंयकारां खातीर करता जाल्यार आमकां इनमायग्रेशन नाका. So गोंयकारां
खातीर look at the population which was there in 2010 and look at the population what is there existing today.
So if you are having a development pattern which is going to depend on outside people for your economy, definitely it will grow. So if you have to have your economy where at least 80% of the local people should be employed to generate, then your economy grows.
We cannot distinguish or differentiate who is local, who is outsiders when they settle here after another.
We are not saying about.
The population is population. We need to give them shelter. We need to give them water. We need to give them electricity for that purpose.
But you don't
to have a planning.
People.
We cannot differentiate.
We are deviating.
What is your point?
We are deviating from the actual topic. We should now first see.
No, I am saying about the planning.
We should now first see what was promised for the state as far as regional plan is concerned, what they are giving us today, and what is the reason why BJP has taken such a huge U-turn on regional plan. This reason, the reason behind such a huge U-turn is something what we should be discussing over here, not the technicality.
What is the reason?
The reason is that this government is driven by corporates, the land mafias. You see, they are saying.
What is the change that we have made in your draft? Let me tell me to benefit the corporates.
Let me. No, no.
you have
It is your
passed
own draft that we have
ordinance.
Then
placed
you
before
people,
the public.
then you
You have
people resign
passed
from your party and
ordinances.
join Congress. No.
So what I'm saying
You
is,
people, if you people
have
are
no
following
reason
everything
to
that Congress
object
has
to
done,
this
you
draft
people
which is
resign
framed
from your
by
party
you.
and join Congress.
I have one.
Otherwise,
point
you
to say.
cannot have any right to
Yeah,
point fingers
I'm
towards Congress
just
party.
supporting what he's saying on this count, that to support the corporate, and I think they have made now the investment promotion board,
Yes.
and in that they have made a law. I mean, one of the clauses is that the regional plan will not apply, the town and country planning act will not apply, the panchayati raj act will not apply. So planning कितें केला की लोकांक तुम्ही regional plan लोकांक खातीर म्हणून सांगला, पण हे वाटी तुम्ही कायदे हाडटा ते ताका regional plan लागूच जायना, आणि हे जे कायदे तुम्ही हाडटा तेच म्हणटा न्हू कॉर्पोरेट बिल्डर्स. सो दॅट इज वाय आमी वी आर क्वेश्चनिंग की हे जे प्लॅनिंग करता ते कोणा खातीर करता, लोकां खातीर करता जाल्यार हे
You
सगळे
verify
regional
each and
plan
every
येतले.
application which is passed or a
See, in the
sanction
name of-
in the IPB. You see where is the problem? If there
This
are
is
there is
your
no
act-
sufficient employment, if
act
there
is
is
your-
if
act
it
is
is
the problem.
deviating from our
This is a
Act
very,
is
this
a
is a very
problem.
valid
This is
point
the-
what Sabina Martin.
This
No, no,
is
my
the-
question, Subhaya, the question or the concern is when you are creating a body which is exclusive of regional plan, then
Outside the regional
yeah,
plan.
that which is actually completely outside of regional plan, then there are questions on planning. Then there might be a project which you are inviting which will create substantial amount of burden on the existing infrastructure which might not cope up with the regional plan when you prepare it. How is going to government deal with that?
No, one thing I have accepted that this is too late to get debate on draft regional or
Yeah.
to get suggestions on that. I agree to that. But in the meantime, it was not working, and because of IP Investment Promotion Board, we could get some of these industries which are looking at it, who are looking to invest in Goa because of regional plans which is not finalized.
No,
and
rather than that, because of this policy paralysis on regional plan, finally you had to come out with something like investment
Ordinances.
promotion
So only
board.
90% of the investment promotion board, whatever decisions are taken, they go in their respective industrial estates.
Correct.
Only 10% of that we will not fit into that, and they go outside that. It doesn't create any imbalance.
It does.
as-
You're having exceptions. ते एक झाले, मागीर तुम्ही ऑर्डिनन्स हाडलो की जे इको सेन्सिटिव्ह झोनान तुम्ही 5% तुम्ही कन्स्ट्रक्ट करपाक जाता. सो दॅट ऑल्सो हो जो मुद्दो आसलो तो लास्ट टाइम रिजनल प्लॅनान येयल्लो की काणकोण एरिया, थिराकोल एरिया, वॉट एवर. सो दिस ह्यूज फॉरेस्ट एरिया, इको सेन्सिटिव्ह झोन, you are allowing construction and they have small farms. That also has come outside the regional plan. So तुम्ही कितें केला?
No, that was that was the problem in the existing draft. It's because of that.
No, but you have brought an ordinance now. आता लोकांचे कितें जाता, लोक सगळे ते आता कायदे पळोवपाक वचना, तांकां रिजनल प्लॅन म्हणल्यार समजता आता कितें अवेअरनेस जाला म्हणून.
हांव तुमकां एक
आनी हे
एक्झाम्पल
सगळे
दिता.
भायर
म्हणजे
तुम्ही
साळजिणी
करता.
म्हणून आसा, तुडव म्हणून आसा, which has fallen in wildlife sanctuary without asking the people. ते एक wildlife sanctuary केली. What these people are supposed to do? How do they live their earning? जर थी इको टुरिझम म्हणून कितें प्रोजेक्ट केले जर जाय, 4 लोक थी जो 150 फॅमिली आसा त्यो पोट भरपाक शकतलो. अदरवायज देर इज the entire area is closed for any economic
you
any,
can take care
but
of
for that
people's
purpose
interests. You should take.
eco sensitive zona भितर पासून एक 5% दवरले जर जाय, they have a hope that I will do some economic activity so that this 150 families which are residing in wildlife sanctuary.
सुभाष, तुम्ही किती म्हणतात?
इको टुरिझमाचो तुमचो सेम
No, no,
प्रोजेक्ट
no, no, no.
विलेजेस
Subhaja, what your point is, eco-tourism zone cannot be a blanket no economic zone. That is what you are saying. That is what you are
That
saying.
should not be no economic.
but
There should be
you-
some
See-
space, some scope to carry out some economic activity
Okay,
for their
okay,
survival.
इफ दिस गव्हर्नमेंट इज सो सेन्सिटिव्ह अबाउट द विलेजर्स, लोक जे गावान रावतात तांचे बद्दल जर इतली संवेदनशीलता हे सरकाराक आसा, जाल्यार तिराकोलचो एंटायर गांव अपोज करता त्या प्रोजेक्टाक तुमी कित्याक सपोर्ट करता? त्या प्रोजेक्टाक तुमी कित्याक अपोज करूंक ना? ते गांवकार
परमिशन तुम्ही दिले हा?
पळय परमिशन कोणे दिली? फाटली कितें जाल्या मिस्टेकी पळय ते आमच्या माथ्यार माननाका, कित्याक आमी फाटल्या फावटी झगडल्या
एक प्रत्येक government cannot
No, no.
change all that
I know,
was sanctioned,
government-
cannot.
But you people are
that can
fighting-
be challenged
See,
because
we are having-
initially
I am
based
having-
on
I am
your
having hope on you people.
based on your
You
license,
people are party with a difference.
based on your
Which are
licenses,
becoming
your
very
permissions,
different
the
every
party
day.
has made investment in. If he
But
goes
you
to the
oppose
court,
it.
You people are party with
Casinos,
a
I
you
cannot
oppose-
oppose it on today.
You
are
oppose
changing every day.
casinos.
Their
Your
colours.
policy, you said that you are opposed to casino, and आता आणि एक casino तुम्ही license दिता. So हर एक issue
Every issue
development
based on
तुम्ही
which this
पतून
party came
वयता.
to power, they are letting the Goans down. They are letting all the people down who fought with them.
And I just want to mention another thing about planning म्हणजे development, infrastructure आम्ही जे म्हणता. आता सुवेजाचो कितलो प्रॉब्लेम आसा तो आमकां खबर आसा. गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट आमकां खबर आसा. पाटो आमी स्मार्ट प्लेस म्हणटा, स्मार्ट सिटी. पाटो इज स्टिंकिंग. पोल्यूशन बोर्ड ऑफिस ओनली यू गो इट्स स्टिंकिंग. आता व्हॉट इज द सोल्युशन? वी ऑल वॉन्ट दॅट गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट जावचें म्हणून. काडटा आणि ते मांडोवीचे मॅनग्रोवान ते आता ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट घालता. ना इज दिस प्लॅनिंग? ते सगळे त्याचे घाण जे आसा ते मांडोवीचे उदकान वयतले. सो दिस इज वॉट वी आर सेइंग. वी आर नॉट अपोज टू गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट. वी आर नॉट अपोज टू IT पार्क. वी आर नॉट अपोज टू युअर इंडस्ट्री. यू हॅव इट, बट हॅव इट ॲट द राईट प्लेस. दिस इज वॉट इज कॉल्ड प्लॅनिंग. फक्त तितलेच आम्ही म्हणटा. आणि जेन्ना तुम्ही दुसऱ्या जाग्यार जेन्ना करता तेन्ना प्रॉब्लेम जातलो. जसे हांवें आता मांडोवीचे तुका एक्झाम्पल दिले. आता हांवें म्हणलें की म्हाका घर मांडोवी पुलाचेर बांदपाक जाय. Why it is not correct? Because it is public property. So you put your guidelines that on public property private things should not come up. 1. 2. If I put my house on Mandovi River bridge, the traffic flow will be stopped because traffic is important. Same way you have to say which जे उदक व्हाव आसा ती वॉटर बॉडीज आसा ती आमी घरा बांदू शकना कित्याक ते उदक आमचे बंद जातले आणि बट्टी येतली. एक्झॅक्ट, बट इट्स नॉट हॅपनिंग. आणि म्हणून आमी म्हणटा हे गायडलायन्स आमी पयली तयार करून लोकांक
दिवपाक. So you are saying even if government has asked for the suggestions or objections, now frame guidelines, there is still time, and then assess those suggestions and objections
based on this
the basis of the framework. So what is your final demand from the government?
Final demand is that BJP should be firm on the promise that they had given to the people of Goa. They should not use the investment promotion board, which is an incubation hub for some RSS activists, to push some of the projects which are not coming under, which are not legally viable under the scope of the existing regional plan. They want to push such projects through investment promotion board. That should not be the case. They should stick to the promise that they had made to the people of Goa, and they should come out with a clear policy as to what their government wants to do as far as regional plan and the planning for long term for the state of Goa is concerned. ना जाल्यार आमी पळयतले जे चेन्नय जाला, ओडीपीन सुद्दां आमी पळयला जे शेकड्यांनी कोटीचे तुम्ही ओडीपी स्कॅम केला. 240 सजेशन म्हापसा आयल्या. लाखांनी स्क्वेअर मिटर एग्रीकल्चरल जमीन कन्वर्ट केल्या. 270 सजेशन तालिगांव आयल्या. हांव म्हणना तुमचो बीजेपीचो ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट दत्तप्रसाद नायकूच स्कॅम म्हणून बॉब मारता थंय. तुम्ही आमचेर घालूंक शकना काँग्रेस म्हणून म्हणटा. इट इज अ multi-million dollar स्कॅम म्हणटा पळय तशें. इट इज अ व्हेरी बिग स्कॅम. ओडीपीचें जाला 100 crores आणि हे हातून एक दीस पणजे बुडटली इतलें तुमी याद दवरा. जे चेन्नय जाला कशाचे कशें हे हॅजार्ड प्लॅनिंग कॉर्पोरेट्सांक आणि आपले फायनान्सरांक खुश करपाच्या बाबतींत पणजे आणि आमचे गोंयचे गांव हे बुडोवन उडयतले.
बरें, म्हाका सुभाष लास्ट एकच तुमी एश्युरन्स दिवपाक शकतात की देर विल बी नथींग एक्सक्लुसिव्ह ऑफ रिजनल प्लॅन. एवरीथींग विल बी रिफ्लेक्टिंग इन रिजनल प्लॅन. अशी इन्क्युबेशन हब्स जी म्हणटा सुनील तसली तयार जावची ना. टील देन कॅन वी फ्रीज एवरीथींग, प्रिपेअर रिजनल प्लॅन ऑन प्रायोरिटी, अँड एटलीस्ट बिफोर द बिगिनींग ऑफ नेक्स्ट फायनान्शियल इयर गोंयकारांक आपलो प्लॅन मेळटलो. बाबा हें जाता हें जायना, हांगा शक्य आसा हांगा शक्य ना, इतली क्लॅरिटी दिवपी प्लॅन तुमचे सरकार दितलें.
हांव गोंयकारां खातीर एकच मागणी करपाक शकता. वी एश्युअर यू अ बेस्ट प्लॅन जो हांव म्हणटा की काँग्रेसींनी ताका अपोज करपाचें कांय गरज ना. आमी काँग्रेसीन केल्लो तो ड्राफ्ट घेवनूच गेल्ले आसात आणि तातून भितर जी पब्लिकाची सजेशन्स आणि ऑब्जेक्शन्स exactly what people do not want, all those things will be chopped off. All that people require any amendments or any changes in that draft plan which is formulated by the
it will be public private partnership, not politician private partnership.
Never and don't take this thing IPP tlan ani
no, I don't believe they are busy chopping. Their party and government is busy chopping the activists who are fighting to protect Goa.
Final Subhash Babu,
we will be only chopping all your in the interest
whatever
thing that you have included.
We know whom you people are interested in.
You will be only chopping the politician private partnership of Congress from the plan. That's what you are saying. I will stop at that. वेळ सारको सोंपला. बरी डिस्कशन जाला आणि म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यांक आतां प्लॅन जाय. 10 वर्सां म्हळ्यार खूब जालीं. गोवा बचाव अभियान सुरू जावन 10 वर्सां जालीं आणि 10 वर्सां भितर जर दोन सरकार वेगवेगळ्या पक्षांची गोंयकारांनी निवडून दिल्ली जर प्लॅन करपाक शकनात जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हें खंयच्या एका पक्षाचें न्ही, हे सगळे गोंयकारांचे फेल्युअर. सो तो फेल्युअर आमच्या माथ्यार कोणेच मारचो न्ही आणि ताजेर आमी पावचे न्ही इतलीच सगळ्यांची इच्छा आसा. लेट अस फ्रेम प्रॉपर गायडलायन्स अँड इन द वेक ऑफ दोज गायडलायन्स लेट अस असेस द सजेशन्स अँड ऑब्जेक्शन्स. इतलेंच मागतात. तुम्ही आयले सगळे जाण इतली बरीशी मतां मांडली. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.